Hi guys, I'm going to show you this video, this project about how to do interior framing, steel structure, duct work. Here framing 6 inches metal stud for the bracing. You can see different kind of bracing all the way up. That's dense glass for exterior, for weather barrier. Okay, here that's the opening, double stud, door header, double stud. Okay, that's the bar joist, steel. Here pour concrete, 5 foot diamond and C-track, and here put plastic sheet, diamond there, ready to pour concrete. Okay, you can see here tyvek for exterior wall, tyvek. Okay, cut. Here you can see slope out. They polish it, slope out here for that opening. Same thing here, you can see slope like ½ inch, and here 6 inches heavy gauge. Okay, more slab work, control joints. Heavy plastic sheet like 15 mil. Okay, that's same. Steel structure, electrical work. You can see that's the bracing, important for exterior walls. Tyvek. Okay, because there's bricks here, and at the top you can see it will be FS. Okay guys, so this video about slab work, metal stud, interior. Okay, you can see here sheathing. Okay, and ready for do FS, the stucco system. You can see here they flash it with the metal stud, because that is for the entrance. You can see flash it. Okay, here header, 6 inches header, electrical work with CMU. So that's about the slab, and later they will pour this when they will rent that unit. Okay, so here we have like 5 units, so they rent this one, they rent the other one. Please, if you like this video, just subscribe, like it. I will upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.